Greetings, fellow Earth dweller. This moon phases project was completed as partial requirement of Mr. Montgomery's astronomy lab. He gave me verbal permission to mention him in the video. I would like him to do a voiceover of this project describing the science of the movement of the moon. If he does so, I will put a link in the information below this video. This is not a tutorial on the phases of the moon. These are my perceptions and experiences as I completed the project in the role of a student. The assignment was to personally photograph and compile a total of 12 photos according to a specific rubric. New moon, 2 waxing crescents, first quarter moon, 2 waxing gibbous phases, full moon, 2 waning gibbous phases, third quarter moon, and 2 waning crescents. The moon must be specifically located between the Earth and the Sun to be in new moon phase. So taking the picture of the Sun in this phase did the job. I took this picture while out on I-269. To me, the Sun itself looked like a ball rolling down a slope. Waxing crescent. Waxing crescent, photo number 2. Sometimes my camera took blurry photos of the moon, and sometimes it took beautiful photos of the moon. I remember driving on the I-269 bypass kind of late at night. 8 o'clock is not that late. To catch a break in the clouds, I pulled off at an exit so that I could get this quick shot. Waxing gibbous. Waxing gibbous. This beautiful picture was a daytime shot. Gorgeous. Full moon. My uncle took this beautiful photograph and sent it to me. It was my second full moon shot, so it did not violate the terms of the assignment rubric. Waning gibbous. Waning gibbous photo number 2. Another beautiful daytime photo of the moon. Check this out. Wow, the majesty. Third quarter photograph. Waning crescent photo number 1. Waning crescent photo number 2. I remember waking up before sunrise to get these waning crescent photos. Very inconvenient. Eerily beautiful though, don't you think? Reflection. Reflections. These pictures of the phases of the moon were taken over a 4-month period. I eventually made a wanted list of the few pictures I was missing near the end and wrote the dates of appearance on my personal calendar so that I would not miss the moments of opportunity. Beautiful, majestic, delightful phases of the moon.